How to enable two-factor authentication or 2FA on BitMart. First of all, make sure that you do have the Google Authenticator app. This is the Google Authenticator. Download it if you don't. So, once you download the Authenticator app, just go ahead and go to BitMart. Make sure that you are signed in. What you need to do now is click on the profile icon on the top left-hand side once and tap on your email address. You can see the option of Google Authenticator. Just go ahead and tap on Google Authenticator. Once you do this, just go ahead and copy this code over here and go to Google Authenticator and tap on the plus sign and then tap on enter a setup key. What you need to do is just go ahead and enter your key over here and you should give the name of BitMart. So after you enter your name, just go ahead and tap on add. So yeah, now you can see the code has been generated. Just go ahead and copy the code, go back to the BitMart app and paste the code in here. So after you do this, you can now see the verification code will be sent to your email once you tap on send. Now go to your Gmail and you can see the mail. Go ahead and copy the code, go back to the BitMart app and paste the code in the box. Go ahead and tap on confirm, wait for a while, and as you can see, now your 2FA or two-factor authentication has been enabled on BitMart. You can also do this using the phone verification and email verification as well. So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.